Hi family, welcome back to another lifestyle vlog. Today's vlog is just one of those simple, ordinary days at home, but honestly, these are some of my favorite days because there's always something to do. I served myself a plate of chapati and beans for breakfast. I knew I was going to have a busy day. There are some days when you wake up and before you even sit down properly, you already have a whole list of things that need to be done. For me, the first thing was taking the utensils outside so that I could wash them. I actually prefer washing utensils outside when I have the chance because I have more space and I can just take my time without feeling squeezed. While I was outside washing utensils, my mom was inside cleaning and wiping the dust. We were both doing our own little things around the house, but at the end of the day, everything comes together and the house feels so much better. After finishing with the utensils, I also helped my mom organize the seats. I don't know about you, but sometimes just moving things around and putting everything back in its place can completely change how a room looks. It wasn't anything complicated, but once we finished, the place already felt more organized. After I finished arranging the room, I started arranging the utensils on the stand. This is the part where I start feeling like, okay, at least one task is finally done. You know, those days when you keep cleaning, but somehow there's always another thing waiting for you. That was definitely one of those days. But slowly everything was coming together. My mom decided to put up curtains on the doorway. It may seem like such a small thing, but adding curtains can actually make a space feel much more homely. The following day, we had another little project to work on around the house. We removed one of the cabinets that we had to make more space. Sometimes you don't need a bigger house, you just need to remove a few things that you don't really need anymore. I went straight forward to prepare lunch. Today I went with rice and potatoes. Honestly, food tastes even better when you've spent the whole day working. As I was grating carrots, my daughter offered to help. I really enjoy involving her in these little activities whenever whenever I can. She's still young, but even giving her a small task makes her feel like she's part of everything we are doing. And look at her helping mommy with the carrots. I think these are the kind of simple moments that we sometimes don't appreciate enough. It is not always about having a perfect day or doing something exciting. Sometimes it is just being together, preparing a meal, cleaning the house, and laughing over the little things. Once everything was ready, I served food. Thank you so much for spending this day with me. If you enjoyed this simple lifestyle vlog, don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.